Hello students, today we are going to start lesson number 5, that is participles. Now let us understand what are participles. Participles are non-finite verbs derived from verbs. They either denote an action in a progressive or perfect form or function as an adjective in the sentence. Now here, talking, broken, traveling. See, whenever ing form of verb is used, that is and function as an adjective by modifying the noun doll. In the second sentence, the en form of verb break, broken, functions as a modifier by descending the noun plates. In the third one, traveling is preceded by auxiliary verb am and functions as the main verb of the sentence. These forms of verbs are called participles. Participles are non-finite verbs. It can use ing form, it can use the en form, d form, ed form, that is past participle. So now let us start question number 1. Underline the participles in the following sentences. Mention A if they function as an adjective and V if they function as the main verb. A. The spoilt milk ruined the pancakes. Spoilt, it is the past participle. Here it functions as an adjective. It is describing milk. So we will write here A. B. The detective solved yet another puzzling mystery. Puzzling mystery. Puzzling is describing the mystery. So A. It is the present participle. C. The mall had been sent to the bank manager a week. The mail had been sent. The third form of verb, that is past participle, and it is acting as a verb. D. We are reading the diary of Annie Frank for our project. It is also a verb. So in the same way you have to complete from E to H in homework. There are two types of participles, present participle and past participle. We have already learnt, I have already told you about this. Now see, the verbs with ing form, joining, opening, smiling, jotting, sinking, all these are the present participles. Whenever we add ing to the V1 form of a verb, that is present participle. We have gone, constructed, built, entered, asked, raged. See, all these words, here we have added ed again, we add en. So all these words are past participles. Let us start question number 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate participle forms of the verbs given in brackets. A. Howling in pain, the dog limped back to its mother. Howling, present participle. B. My grandfather always told us interesting stories. ing, that means present participle. C. Anish still has pain in his broken leg. Broken leg, past participle. D. The issues encountered seem unfathomable. So students, in the same way you have to complete from E to H in homework. 3. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate participle forms of the verbs given in the box. Here we are given a box and we have to fill the blanks with appropriate participle form. A. The team was waiting for manager's approval. We have used ing with wait. So present participle. Do not write the number on that paper. Now we have used the third form of tear, that is torn. So past participle. The blank team would get a chance to meet Sania Mirza. We have used ing with win, so winning. We could easily recognize the smell of the burnt cake from afar. Burnt. V3 form. So students, in the same way you have to complete from E to H in homework using present participle and past participles. Now let us start question number 4. Combine the pairs of sentences using participles. One has been done for you. A. Farhan ran to the nearest pharmacy. He bought the medicines. Here you are given two sentences. We have to combine these using the participle. You can use the present participle as well as the past one. Now what we had written here, see. Running to the nearest pharmacy, Farhan bought the medicines. B. Siddharth finished reading the books. He wrote a book report on it. Now, B. Having read the book, Siddharth wrote a book report on it. We have used having. Next, C. The traveler found it difficult to carry the luggage uphill. He walked slowly. Finding it difficult to carry the luggage, the traveler walked slowly. We have used the ing form with the verb. So we have used here the present participle to combine the sentence. D. Guha thanked her friends profusely. She unwrapped the gift. Thanking her friends profusely, she unwrapped the gifts. You can write here Guha also. Understood, students? So in the same way you have to complete from E to H in homework. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks with participle phrases of your own. Following the instructions given in brackets, one has been done for you. A. Blank the ship brought the stranded fisherman home. Present participle phrase. Moving towards the port. B. Blank the monument was renovated by government. Past participle. Neglected from decayed, the monument was renovated. C. The palace looked magnificent. Past participle. Painted in gold. Painted. So it is the past one. D. Blank Sandhya could not enter the classroom. Perfect participle phrase. Now what is perfect participle? Perfect participle is whenever we are using the present participle with having. Having missed. The perfect participle is whenever we are using the past participle with having. Having missed. Having missed classes, Sandhya could not enter the classroom. This is perfect participle. Understood, students? So in the same way you have to complete from E to H in homework. Now the last question of this lesson, that is question number 6. Identify the errors and rewrite the following sentences correctly. Write in notebook. You have to rewrite, so you have to write in notebook. A. The breaking glass hurt my foot. It should not be breaking, it should be broken. B. I wish I had Aladdin's flown carpet. It should be flying carpet. C. The danced clowns fascinated the young audience. Dancing. It should not be danced, it should be dancing. D. We could not recognize their faces in the fade photograph. It should be faded photograph. Understood, students? So you have to identify the error of the form of the verb and you have to correct it and rewrite in your notebook.